Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scrap Madness, which is a video a day. Now, I had followed a Pinterest page. I thought I pinned it. Thought I saved it into the folder where my photos go, and it's not there. So, with that being said, I know I did follow a sketch that was on Pinterest. Don't know where it was from. Can't remember any of it, but yeah, so I kept this one really simple. It is of my family photos. I am down to just 2 more layouts. Thank golly, Miss Molly, I can say I am finally done with my family photos. But this is of all 3 of us, just 3 photos that I took or that was taken of just us being goofy and being around each other. And I decided to use obviously the February hip kit, as I do know that March is soon to be on the way or hitting my back door. And with everything that is going on in the world, I am able to now be at home, have office hours, and you will see a lot more videos from me because my daughter is very good about when I sit down and she does her work, she does it right beside me while I am filming. So, with all of that being said, I am super, super excited to kind of be back to normalcy for videos for me and for the next at least 3 to 4 weeks. That is what we are thinking. Now, I could be back sooner, I could be back way later. But for right now, I am totally content with what I am doing and how I'm doing it. So it is going to be fun. I can't wait. I'm excited. So here I am. I'm just placing down... I'm just getting these strips. I just love this paper from the Bloom collection. I could get like 30 of these. I think they're awesome. I love these arrows. Paige Evans certainly did an amazing job on this paper because I love it and I've used up everything about the arrows. Did absolutely nothing on the back. I love the arrows. That's what I love about them. I am going through and I'm just going to add a bunch of different papers and stuff. Just a few more and then leave it pretty much as you see it. And then, let's see here. I do edge everything with my Close to My Heart. I am using the colored pewter. And then my gray background, obviously, is my background paper that I am using. I am super duper 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 excited for how this turns out. I really, really enjoy the way this looks, the way this turned out. I think it is absolutely perfect. And I just think it looked good. And I just love how this turns out. I like the fact that I did this small little banner right here. And then place this branding strip. Normally I don't use the branding strips, but I like this blue. It brings out just that blue color out of it. And it's kind of, it matches my husband's and like my husband's jeans and my kimono or whatever you want to call it, like my cover. Here I am, I'm just putting the white border. I forgot to do the white border before I started, so you get to see me put this on. I use Stampin' Up, obviously, for my white border. I just buy that literally in bulk. I buy like two or three packs at a time, and then once that gets low, I'll buy another 2 or 3 packs and call it a day for it. But yeah, I mean, I normally don't talk about this. I try to stay off of all of that bandwagon stuff. But I do hope that everybody is staying safe with all of this. Obviously, we're a lot of introverts. So by all means, I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel. I am really close to my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And I know that I will be doing something different for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway due to the fact of what's going on. I am giving away 2 big gift cards. One for the internationals and then one for the United States. And originally I was going to do something different for it because of everything that's going on, just so that everybody is aware and know of, I am going to do gift cards to where they can pick from certain companies and then they will get the code and then they can order it at any time. So they don't have to order it right now. Where before I was going to use my Close to My Heart and go that way. I just decided I'll just pick up a couple of websites that ship international. and then pick two people to win. One from the United States and then one from the from international. So I hope that you do like this, and by all means, now, because pretty much a lot of us are starting to be able to be home quarantined with our kids. Lord have mercy, my daughter's going to be in so much trouble because she thinks that this is going to be a free ride, and oh no, 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 there ain't no free ride in this. No, 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 no. There is called homework and tons of it. So they're just going to have to deal. So I'm just putting down the backing of this, and pretty much after tomorrow I am home. Tomorrow I do have to go into school from 8 to 4:30, and then after that I am done. I'm done until they call me back, and we have no end date. So our end date is until further notice. So we're thinking that while we go through, I do get the whole week of spring break off, and they are allowing us to actually take it as a spring break. So I just have to teach this week, next week, the week after, and then that fourth week is spring break, and then we'll see where we go from there. So I'm hoping, ultimately at the end of the day, I would love to be back after our spring break and then go from there. But I could be totally wrong. Who knows? That's what my, thought process is. I hope that maybe that's what they do too, but I guess we'll see. So I'm pretty much, that's my title. I love that I state love ya. I think it's just perfect for this, just because it's my family and, we're just being goofy. Ooh, I do like that. When I looked at it at first, I didn't like it, so I take it off. You don't see them, but I do actually kind of like how that turned out. I haven't used them yet. I'm going to figure out a way to use them, but I haven't used them yet. But I do find these florals, and I use the florals for all my stuff, so you'll see what'll happen here. And I just kind of play around with things, and then I figure it out. I do keep this pretty simple from the way I normally have my layouts, but I really love how it is. It's just a simple layout with some simple photos that was taken as a family, and that's pretty much it, for the, the respect of that. I get to work on a bunch of stuff. I get to grade papers while I'm at home. I get to grade papers in my PJs. Do you realize how much fun that is? I'll have some office hours and then call it, a brand old day. Call it a day. And yeah, so I'm absolutely positively love the way this ends up. I do go through all the embellishments like 30 times over, but still, I really love how it turned, at the end of the day, I really love how this looks. And I do, do some gold splattering. I add everything that I love. I think just adding the little bits and bobs that I do have just turns this layout just a little bit more like me, but yet on a simpler form of a layout for me. Now make sure that you go check out the other ladies. Now with everything that is going on, we have been doing really well about keeping up, but you may or may not be able to see that many videos from us, but we're trying our best to make sure that we are uploading at least one of us daily. So you just got to check everybody out, and all the descriptions will be linked down below. I know that I'll be able to have time because I only have one child at home that's got homework. And then when I'm doing my classwork with my daughter, she'll be doing hers so that she'll still have time to play and, just be a kid too. Because, that's about homework as well. So yeah, there's going to be chores that they're going to have to do. She thinks, she has a lot of work to do. I can't believe how much for second graders that they're making them do. So, but I'm still okay with it. It's perfect. I love it. I'm glad that she's got a lot of work to do. My classes are going to be all online, so that's even better yet. That works out for me. But yeah, so I'm pretty much rounding out. I'm just kind of adding little bits and bobs here, and then that's it. Obviously, I do come in with these enamel dots. I do come in with splatters from Shimmer's Paints. It's one of the Goldilocks. And then that's pretty much it. So make sure that you like and subscribe. I do upload between 2 to 3 videos a week on a normal basis. And make sure that you go check out everybody else. And I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.